Emily was trying to get a bird out of it.
What the fuck? Why'd you go in there? You're in the box. Get out of there.
This is the bird box.
Poor little guy's having a heart attack. It's in my mouth. Oh, this ripped his fucking feather off, man. It's like a fly, you know?
Emily, just leave the door open. He'll get out. Why are you crushing it?
It's okay.
Be careful with it.
It's okay. I got you. I got worms I can feed you.
Be careful with it, Pamela.
Bird box came to life.
Go ahead before you end up getting something.
A real bird?
Yeah.
How'd you catch that?
I said.
It's alive. Get out of it.
I accidentally ripped his feather off.
What?
Guy. It's okay.
How'd you catch it? Was it in the house?
I'm telling you. Fly! Oh my god!
Does it not fly?
Where's James at? Go.
He let you store.
Daniel, tell him. I said, come here, little birdie.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
It fell to the ground?
If he's still over there, I gotta get him. Oh my god! He still is!
That's cool as whole eye. Hold on, let her know. It's in that tree.
You gotta walk around and get ticks and shit on you, Pamela.
Why are you kicking it? The dog is going to eat it, Pamela.
Eat it, girl! Eat it!
What is it right there? That fucking bird flew right here.
He's gone. I said, snatched him out of the sky. Look at